Every year, 4.5 million people undergo life-changing joint replacement surgery. Unfortunately, for several thousands, this is a momentary relief, as implant loosening and joint infection forces them back into revision surgery, affecting their quality of life enormously. Wissenkraft Labs is incorporated with a global vision of making life-changing and empowering difference in the quality of life of patients around the globe suffering from musculoskeletal condition. At Wissenkraft Labs, we are transforming the future of standard of care in joint replacement surgeries with cutting-edge surface technology solutions. I am Dr. Chinmay Khare, founder of Wissenkraft Labs. We are a dynamic, passionate, and resilient team of engineers, biotechnologists, and medical professionals with proven track record of innovation, business, and execution. Together, we are developing a revolutionary surface technology solution for the unmet clinical need in joint replacement surgery. Currently, hydroxyapatite and titanium-based coatings are the most widely used implant coatings. However, these coatings lack the ability to address the pertinent challenges of implant loosening and joint infection simultaneously, which are more commonly seen in joint replacement surgeries. To address this unmet clinical need, we have developed a platform technology that generates a pipeline of proprietary and superior surface technology solutions. Our first lead candidate, OsseoHeal, is an osseoinductive orthopedic implant coating specially designed for primary joint replacement surgeries. While our second lead candidate, Wissenkraft, is an osseoinductive and bactericidal orthopedic implant coating specially designed and developed for high-risk primary and revision joint replacement surgeries. Global biomedical coating market is expected to be $17 billion opportunity by 2030, of which orthopedic, spinal, and dental implant coating market is projected to be $6.5 billion. Our novel coating platform can address the unmet clinical needs in all three market segments. Our first coating solution, OsseoHeal, backed by solid preclinical data, is set for a launch in 2025. Our second coating solution, Wissenkraft, has demonstrated superior performance in comparison with commercially marketed products in preclinical studies, and now it is ready for a clinical validation. Our revolutionary platform technology is patent protected in India, and we have filed 4 more patents in the US, Europe, Japan, and China to protect our disruptive innovation in the most significant markets with highest commercialization potential. Wissenkraft Labs is poised to unlock both domestic market in India as well as global markets. Our 2 main revenue streams will include B2B services and licensing fees. We will seek to maximize business opportunities by offering technology licenses to the implant manufacturers to address the global markets, while offering B2B coating services to the implant manufacturers in India. We are in negotiation with a major player with a footprint in the US and in India for our first coating solution, OsseoHeal. We envision 15x return on investment as we gather clinical evidence that establishes our novel coating solutions as superior biomaterials. We are at the cusp of transforming the standard of care in joint replacement surgery on a global scale by improving implant integration and minimizing the risk of joint infection. Our mission is technological excellence in biomedical surface engineering.